Hello and welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Sylvia, and please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, please leave a comment if you have any. Today I'm gonna be creating hope or wasted opportunity heading for my title of my blog. This is the sketch, basically the creation process. So stick around to see how I create it. Check out my website on the description so that you can read the blog. So after creating the sketch separately, I scan it into the computer and then I move on to Adobe Illustrator, where I create the outlines for the text that I've created. It just makes it easier to draw on Illustrator as opposed to Photoshop. So check out the speed up process, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. And like I said, remember to subscribe, like, support the video, support my channel. I'll be grateful, and thank you if you've subscribed already. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking it out, and enjoy the video. So this part I didn't like how the HOP looked. It was very static. So then I decided to go back and do it again because I liked how I did the E, and just keep to my handwriting, because there's a reason we do handwriting. You know, it looks more fluid and it just flows naturally. So then I went back and did the HOP the way I had done it. So when you're done with Illustrator, you move to Photoshop, and that's where I do most of my coloring and creating the textures of my artwork. So check it out. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you did check out the rest of the blog on my website. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video.